In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a Typeform to another account. So to transfer a Typeform to another account, you can use a bunch of different options, okay? So the most common one is going to be the Move To feature. So if you click on a specific form over here, you have the Move To and Copy To, okay? So here, what you can do is basically move it to the workspace to a shared organization, or basically just duplicate it and share it. So for example, let's say I had a workspace over here which was shared, and I want to share it, or of course transfer it to somebody in that shared workspace. I can just simply click on these three dots over here, click on Move To or Copy To, and then I can just select the shared workspace, and then that person is going to be able to see it as well. And that way I've kind of transferred my Typeform to basically another account or another person, okay? So that's essentially how you do this. That's basically the best way to approach this and the easiest way to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.